Hi students, this is A. Mandri Kumar Rajesh. In this video, we are going to discuss the MCQs in genetics. Actually, this is my third video series in genetics MCQs. Let's get into the topic. A dwarf pea plant is treated with gibberellin, which makes it tall. This plant is crossed with genetically pure tall plant. Phenotypic ratio in next generation shall be. The options are option A 3 tall 1 dwarf, option B 50% tall 50% dwarf, option C all the young ones are tall, option D all the young ones are dwarf. So a dwarf pea plant is treated with gibberellin. So the nodes and internodes get elongated and they look tall. And that plant is crossed with genetically tall plant, pure tall plant. So homozygous pure dominant parent crossed with homozygous recessive parent, which is treated with gibberellin. That is why they look tall. Gamete produced by the dominant parent is capital T. Then gametes produced by the gibberellin treated parent, small t. Fusion of gametes takes place, results in capital T, small t. So all the young ones look tall. In F1 generation, all the young ones look tall. So here the answer is option C. All the young ones are tall, because they haven't mentioned whether the generation is F1 or F2. They have given next generation, phenotypic ratio in next generation. So the answer is all the young ones are tall. Suppose they have given in F2 generation, that answer will be 3:1. 3 tall, 1 dwarf. Then this gibberellin not able to affect the genetical makeup. They can simply elongate nodes and internodes. They cannot transmit that character to next generation because they are not able to affect the genetical makeup. So the answer is option C, all tall. If a homozygous tall pistillate plant is crossed with a dwarf staminate plant. So pistillate means a female, it resembles a female, gynoecium. A dwarf staminate, androecium. The genotype of endosperm will be, so endosperm, the ploidy nature of endosperm is triploid. So homozygous tall pistillate. So capital T, capital T. Actually, pistillate have secondary nucleus and they are diploid in nature. They are diploid in nature and they have allele capital T, capital T. Then crossed with a dwarf staminate plant. Dwarf staminate plant means small t, small t, small t, small t. So this is the secondary nucleus. They are diploid in nature. They are diploid in nature. While in the case of the staminate, it undergoes meiosis and it produces small t. The alleles get segregated and it produces a male gamete with small t. And this male gamete fuses with these two, with secondary nucleus, results in capital T, small t. Now they are in triploid condition. Now they are in triploid condition. So the answer will be option A. Capital T, small t. So staminate will be the dwarf. The tall plant will be, the pistillate will be the dominant one. So the answer is capital T, small t. Which of the following character of P was not studied by Mendel? Height of the plant, correct. Size of the seed is the wrong answer. So Mendel did not study size of the seed. So the option B is the right answer. Then the fourth question, how would you produce 4 o'clock seeds, all of which should yield pink color flower when shown? So actually it tells us the plant is incomplete dominant. It shows incomplete dominance. So the dominant alleles are not able to mask the recessive allele. So it shows the intermediate color pink. So we have to make a cross. With that cross, it has to produce all the young ones pink in color. The right answer is option A. If we make a cross between capital R, small r, results in capital R, cross with small r, gametes are produced, fusion of gametes takes place, results in capital R, small r, and they are in the intermediate form. So all the young ones shows intermediate color pink. So if we make cross between capital R, small r, we are able to get all the young ones which shows pink color. So the option is A. Option is A. The fifth question. A tobacco plant heterozygous for recessive trait for albinism is self and 1200 seeds are obtained. 1200 seeds are obtained. How many seedlings obtained from such seeds will have parent genotype? So tobacco plant and they are heterozygous recessive trait for albinism. So they are heterozygous, capital A, small a, and they are self. So capital A, small a cross with capital A, small a. Results in gamete formation, capital A, small a, capital A, small a. Gametes are plotted in the Punnett square. Fusion of gametes takes place, results in the development of young one, which shows capital A, capital A. So the first young one shows the genotype capital A, capital A. Second young one shows the genotype capital A, small a. Then third young one shows the genotype capital A, small a. Fourth young one shows the genotype small a, small a. Here the question is, how many seedlings obtained from such seeds will have parent genotype? So here you can find two parent genotype, capital A, small a, capital A, small a. Then one young one shows capital A genotype. So 1 by 4. Among the 4, one young one shows the genotype capital A, capital A. Then two of them shows capital A, small a, capital A, small a. Then only one young one shows small a, small a. So here we get two young ones which shows the genotype capital A, small a. But the question is, in 1200 seeds are obtained, how many seedlings obtained from such seeds will have parent genotype? So 1200 divided by 2. The answer is 600. The answer is 600. Option C. The answer is 600. Then Neurospora is normally pink, though an albino strain is known. If a pink, so for the pink strain they have mentioned as plus. If a pink strain is crossed with an albino and the albino strain is mentioned with small a, what would be the genotype of the resulting zygote? So here the pink strain is mentioned with plus symbol. Pink strain is mentioned with plus symbol. Is crossed with an albino. That albino strain is mentioned with small a. So cross was made between plus and a. What would be the genotype of the resulting zygote? So the genotype of the resulting zygote is option C, plus and A. Plus and A. So option C is the right answer. Then the bacteria and blue-green algal cell contains the options are a large number of linkage group, only one linkage group, 4 linkage group, and no linkage group. So the option B is the right answer, because bacteria contains all the genes in one chromosome. That is why they have only one linkage group. So option B is the right answer. Find the incorrect match with respect to linkage group. Option A, Neurospora, it contains 2. Then option B, Z-Mace, 10. Option C, Pisum sativum, 7. Option D, Drosophila, 4. So the incorrect match is Neurospora. Actually, it contains 7. The linkage group 7. So option A, Neurospora, and it contains linkage group 7. Let's discuss the 9th question. The exchange of chromosome segments between maternal and paternal chromatids after synapses in meiosis is called as option A, interference, option B, crossing over, option C, linkage, option D, terminalization. So the right answer is option D, crossing over. So in crossing over only, exchanges of genetic material takes place between two homologous chromosomes. Crossing over occurs in dash stage. In which stage? Option A, leptotin, option B, zygotin, option C, pachytin, option D, diakinesis. So it is also a direct question. Option C is the right answer, pachytin. So in pachytin stage only crossing over occurs. The crossing over frequency between the genes A and B, A and C, B and C are 6%, 15% and 21% respectively. What is the possible sequence of genes on chromosome? So this is a chromosome. Then the recombination frequency between the B and C is more. It shows more, 21%. So C, B. Then A and B and A and C shows less recombination frequency when compared to C and B. So the A will come in the middle. It will come on the middle. So the answer may be option D. Option D, either BAC or CAB. Then Mendel did not recognize the linkage phenomenon in his experiments because the option A, he did not have powerful microscope. Option B, he studied only pure plants. Option C, there were many chromosomes to handle. Option D, characters he studied were located on different chromosomes. He studied 7 characters, and that 7 characters are located in different chromosomes, especially the 7 characters are located on 4 chromosomes. So due to that reason, Mendel did not recognize the linkage phenomenon in his experiment. Option D is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. The 13th question. XXXY type sex determination in plant was first discovered in. That means that organism contain heteromorphic chromosome. XXXY type. So it was first discovered in Spirocarpus. It is a bryophyte, and this heteromorphic chromosome, that sex type, is first determined in the Spirocarpus plant. So option C is the right answer. The concept of sudden genetic change which breed true in an organism which is visualized in the principle of dash sudden change which occur in genetic material. So it shows changes in the organism character. Option A, natural selection. Option B, heredity. Option C, variation. Option D, mutation. So option D is the right answer. Mutation is otherwise called as sudden heritable change occurs in the genetic material. So option D is the right answer. Gene mutation is caused by dash. Option A, reproduction. Option B, linkage. Option C, change in the sequence of nitrogenous bases. Option D, change in the sequence of genes in a DNA. So gene mutation is caused by change in the sequence of nitrogenous bases. So option C is the right answer. So that's all about today's video. If you have any doubt, please clarify with me. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.